Let's count the pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kids, let's learn A to Z alphabet. A for ant, A for ant. B for ball, B for ball. C for cow, C for cow. D for duck, D for duck. E for egg, E for egg. F for frog, F for frog. G for goat, G for goat. H for horse, H for horse. I for ink, I for ink. J for jam, J for jam. K for key, K for key. L for lemon, L for lemon. M for moon, M for moon. N for net, N for net. O for octopus, O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for volcano. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.